Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with our newest digital print. Now a couple of weeks ago we released the 2-inch stars in all of our colors, and when I printed this I forgot to print the assorted, but it still comes in the assorted. And then this week we're doing the smaller stars. Now this, it's like a bonus because there was so many different styles and we wanted to make sure that you had all the tones. So for every color, you're going to get 2 sheets. So black 1, black 2 for the price of 1. And these, I just want to say, you can cut them out because stars are fairly easy to cut out, right? But you can also use your punch and do 1.5 inch. So you could do this and look how perfect that punches around, and 1 1/4, just like that. And then at the very bottom, the last 3 rows is the 1 inch. So I love that it's like 2 products in one, because you can cut them out, or you can, you know, if you want a circle shape but have a star inside, you can still do that. Okay, so now let's go through the colors. So again, you're going to get 1 and 2. Right now we're having a spring sale. So if you put in the coupon spring 20, you're going to get an extra 20% off. Okay, so the code is spring 20, no spaces, spring 20. Everything is already, we've kept everything at 50% off. So really you're getting 70% off. So spring 20 to get an extra 20% off. So let's go through the colors. So you have black, and you have some with polka dots, with lines, and those are on this sheet. And this one here, you have the outline and you have the full one. Now, black is black, right? So that's why it just looks like that. He could have done just 1 sheet for black, but we wanted to keep it consistent. Okay, so you get the polka dot, you get the lines, you get the outline and the full color. All right. So again, in the 1.5, 1 1/4, and the 1 inch. So that's the size you need for the punch. So there's blue, there's bright orange, there's brown, oops, oh, it stuck to it, brown, and then you have the dark gray, and then you have the green. Now these are sold separately, so you could get green 1 and 2 together as one file, and then you can get the whole bundle. Green 1 and 2, this is mint. This is exclusive for my patrons, which they already received this. They received this past Wednesday. So mint, 1 and 2, more yellow. This is a new color, newish color. More yellow. Orange. And then you have peach. And then you have pink. Those papers are difficult to pick up today. Pink. And then you have purple. And this is a new color, rose, and apparently, oh no, this is red, sorry, red. This is red. This is rose. I could see rose behind there. Rose. I love this color. And then turquoise. And last but not least, yellow. Okay. Now we have our assorted packs. So this is apples and oranges. This is Cozy Cafe, which was a favorite of mine at the, at the very start, and it's still a favorite. I love the colors. Cozy Cafe. Then you have Pastel Paradise. These colors are so soft. It's like a hug. Pastel Paradise. Then you have Radiant Rainbow. Love that one too. Then you have Seasoned Spices. Stuck again. Seasoned Spices. And then you have Summer Carnival. Okay, so that's it. These are the new digital files that are available in our shop this week. And don't forget, if you use the code SPRING20 in celebration, that's spring, it's on Monday. Yay! SPRING20, you get an extra 20% off. So it's 70% off the regular price. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.